Confession time. I once built a 40-page brochure and typed the table of content manually. But then the client added 2 new sections and I aged 10 years that day. Today we end that suffering. I show you how to make automatic table of contents and indexes that update themselves like responsible adults. In this episode, you learn how to create table of contents automatically, how to style and update it, how to build an index without losing your mind, and how to keep both in sync with your document. Let's make layout to the admin for once. Layout builds table of content from text styles. Every time you use a heading style like heading 1, heading 2 or anything else, Layout can collect those lines, list them and slap page numbers next to them. So the cleaner your style usage, the cleaner your table of content. If you formatted everything manually, well, enjoy doing twice. Move to the page where you want the table of content to be. Let's choose page 2. Then grab the frame text tool, drag the text frame, go to text, table of contents, and insert. Right now it's only 2, but we are using books. So change this section where is scope to book and update it here where you see those 2 arrows. Now at the top you can see the name of the table of content. Let's rename it. Here where is this line and pencil icon, click on it and let's give it a name. And click OK. Now let's update it again. Here where you can see style names, just check whether you want the table of content to use to create this table of content. For example, heading 1 for main chapter and heading 2 for subsections. Now it looks functional but ugly. Let's fix that. Highlight the table of content. Then on the right side panel you see text styles and you see pre-made styles here. Just click on the style, double click it, and here is where you can make your changes. You can change font style if your font have any, font size. Let's make it 14. Here you can change color. Let's for the tutorial purpose, let's make it this bluish. You can give it even a background color if you want. And if you're all done changing your table of content style, just click OK. And you can change it every time you want. Just double click on the style and you can make more changes. Now let's say you need to add a new headline somewhere, wherever. But now there's a problem. The table of content is wrong. But again, you don't have to do manually anything on the table of content. You just select it, click this update button, those 2 arrows, and it adds the new heading to the table of content. Now let's talk about the indexes, the alphabetical list at the end that makes your book look legit. They don't build themselves. You have to mark entries. And so What does it mean? I have added this word design in some places, here, here, and here. If you download the file, just add whatever word you want to index yourself. In the video, I added design here. And now, what do you have to do? Now, you have to select the parent topic on the page. For every page in this tutorial purposes is the heading. So select it, go to text, index, insert index mark. So right now it says the topic is tutorial 2. Press this little button here that says move to parent. Now this is a parent topic, and type in your index. For this tutorial, it's the design, and click OK. Now let's see where else we put it. Here is, it's here again. Select it, index, insert index mark, move it to parent, put in the topic, and OK. And on the third page, here is the parent topic, text, index, insert index mark, move it to parent topic, put the topic in, and click OK. And now go on the page where you want the index to be. Now all you have to do is to choose what page you want your index to be. Choose your text tool, drag text frame, choose text, index, and insert index, and you got your index for your book. Quick recap before layout adds another entry for your patients. TOCs come from heading styles. Indexes come from tagged entries. Both use auto-generated styles you can edit. Click update anytime for fresh page numbers. Congratulations! You now have the organizational power of publishing wizard. Next up, we are jumping into publishing and exporting. How to turn your beautiful layout into something the real world can actually use. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and remember, never manually type a table of content again, ever.